It just really, this should not be this difficult, and it is stressing me out. Oh. Hey guys, it's me again. I look like I just came off the playground with this little raggedy bun, but that's alright because I'm about to do my hair as usual. Yes. So we're about to get something going here. I currently have my hair blown out, and I wanted to do a rod set, but I wanted to try a specific kind of rod that I've seen before in the beauty supply store and have never actually used. So I'm going to give these a try. They are spiral rods by Annie's Professional Hair Care. So again, I've never used these before. I've seen how they're supposed to work, and I hope that I can make them work. And we're gonna see. I got a couple different sizes because I feel like I didn't get enough of one size, and I already had a couple of these already. So, and they didn't have any more of the mid-size ones. So I've got some. I'm gonna show you the sizes I got. I've got this short, thick one. You feel me? Then I got a longer one that is a little smaller than that one, and then I've got a tiny one. So these are about the typical size of like your rods that you would normally, like a perm rod or whatever. I like that it already has the grooves set out for your hair, because one of the things about me when I use rods, I don't really know how to space them out so that they spiral like this. So I normally end up just wrapping them up, like rolling it. And I like it, it's fine, but I kind of want to get into this, into, you know, spiraling them out and seeing how it looks. I'm starting from a blowout instead of wet hair because I'm terrible at doing my hair from wet hair. Let me explain a little bit about how this goes first. So you have this little thing here that will hook on to your root. Like you hook that on at the root or wherever you want to start. And then you also have this little contraption here. If I can get it off. So you'll hook that on at the root, wrap your hair around it, and then to secure the end, which is also my biggest problem, you're going to clip this on wherever the end of your hair is so it can hold it down. Now, again, in theory, this sounds like it should be pretty simple, but nothing is easy in this life of mine. Life of me ain't been no crystal stair when it comes to my hair. So we are going to see if this actually works for me. I hope it does though, because I feel like it'll be cute. What I'm going to be using is my water out of my continuous spray bottle. I'm also going to be using my Unicurl 4-in-1 styler. I absolutely love this. It's a leave-in conditioner / curling cream / detangler / moisturizer. Smells amazing. Love the consistency. Obsessed. And I will be using my TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse. So those are the 3 products I will be using. For the water, I'm not going to drench it because I didn't want to start from completely wet hair. But I didn't want to put curl cream and styling mousse on completely dry hair either. So I'm just going to mist each section and go from there. Alright, so let's get it going. Let's give it a little spritz with the water. Gonna give it just a little, hit it once with the water. Curl cream from Unicurl. Give her a little moisture so she can be at least a little smooth and not hella frizzy. A little bit of the setting foam, which really for real needs to make sure that I concentrate it. Well, it can't make sure that I need to make sure that I concentrate it at the ends of my hair, because that's the part that needs to be making sure that it's still going. So again, I'm gonna twist it, clamp. Oh, now cooperate now. Don't embarrass me in front of everybody on YouTube. that on. Yes, yo, I just do not have it in me to keep fighting with these hair products and tools. Okay, we got it. I'm wrapping it around. Okay, apparently me keeping it smoothed out like that, like kind of twisting it onto here, is helping. Which on a regular ride, you kind of would twist it around if you were trying to give it this same effect. Okay, okay. I think I'm getting it. All right. These are not gonna be as like, they're not gonna hang or whatever. I feel like they're supposed to, and maybe my hair just isn't really all that long. Here we go. All right. I think I'm getting it. It's starting to make sense a little to me. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get to the spots where I can't really see, like at the top of my head, what I'm about to do. Okay, I need to put the clip right here in this spot then. Girl, it's gonna make me go back and do this one over. That one worked really well. This should not be this difficult, and it is stressing me out. Up. Bam, another one. Once I get the back done, I think I'm gonna leave y'all alone for a minute and come back on the middle of my head or something, so I can really get my groove, and y'all don't have to watch me keep struggling through each roller. Hopefully by the time I get to the next section, I'll know what I'm doing. I have a better idea of what I'm doing. And by leave y'all alone for a second, I really just mean, you know, there would just be a point in the video where I have done a bunch of stuff off screen. Obviously, I'm not gonna like make there be a spot in the video where it's just sitting there and y'all are waiting for me to come back. This is the root clip that is really making this difficult. It should never be this hard. Oh shoot. This one's going really well. Watch out, world. I might have, you know, the more I think about this, the more I think this probably would have been one that I should have done with like completely wet hair. Because I feel like it would be easier to smooth everything out that way. Okay, check me out. Last one on the back. Child, I had to fight through that. The back is done. I'm gonna be back when I get to the middle. Rollers, I don't have it in me. I'm gonna try to do some more on this side, like do so that it's not completely mismatched. Then I'm probably gonna do complete flexi rods and perm rods in the middle. Not gonna hold you, because it is looking like time for me to move on to something else. I just cannot, and I'm sorry if I'm doing too much complaining, but I'm just trying to be honest and transparent about what is going on here. Ew, my nose ring. Yeah.
All right, so here I completely gave up on the spiral rollers. They honestly just take entirely too long. I don't know if it was me, like user error, or they just are very meticulous, but I just really didn't have the patience, and I had other things I had to do, and it was getting late in the day. So here I'm just adding some flexi rods, and the method for that is just to roll it up and then bend it so that it stays. Some people don't like mixing the roller types, but I actually find that it gives you the same or similar results. And I just like my hair big and curly anyway, so I don't really mind the different patterns sometimes. So that's basically what's going on here.
It is now 7:13. That means it took me 4 hours to do all of this, because most of this took 2 to 3 hours, which means had I not done that, I could have been done 3 hours ago. So in short, I would not recommend trying these unless you have a lot of patience, or unless you're really good at figuring stuff like this out, which I am not. As you can see, I've loaded my head with flexi rods instead, because I just cannot. But it'll be interesting to see how, like, what the difference. It'll be interesting to see what the difference is between this curl pattern and this curl pattern. I'm sure there will be a difference, but I'm also sure that once I start to separate them out, they won't look that different. I'm also almost positive they will be a little bit frizzy, which I'm okay with. And then it's gonna rain again. I live in Florida. It's gonna rain again tomorrow, so it may be a little bit frizzier. So it is what it is, you know. I'm not giving up. I'm sure it'll look cute at least a little bit at first. So I'm gonna have to take these down really early in the morning, before work, because I have to be at work at 8 o'clock. So I will be filming the rest of this look in the morning, with hopefully some makeup or something on my face. I'm optimistic, I think. So let's see. I'm gonna take some of these down first so we can really see how they turned out. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh, it's not bad. Hold on. I think I might have did something. They feel like they might be a little damp still. Oh no. It's just like kind of heavy because of product. Oh, nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, what do we think? Again, curl pattern is almost identical here. No differences, for real. These are the spiral rods on the bottom and on the sides. These are the other rods, and they all look the same. Yeah, like this is not even that different. So my advice would be to not put yourself through the strife of those spiral rods. It's really not worth it when you get the exact same results by doing something easier and less time consuming. I know that there's, you know, the phrase lazy natural or whatever. That's me. I'm very lazy. Or I just like efficiency. And those spiral rollers were not efficient at all. Like, there was nothing efficient about them. There's nothing special about them. It took hours to just do the back, and I just don't understand why that was even necessary. So now I'm getting ready to go through and separate these and pick these so I can get out of here. Time to pick. I like it. It looks moisturized. It looks, you know, smoothed out. Yep, I think I'm just gonna leave it here. Cute. Alright, I'm gonna throw some earrings on and I gotta be out. So thanks for watching this very frustrating tutorial video. I feel like I complained through the entire thing, but you know, it is what it is. We trial and error around here. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and be back here again soon for another video. Bye.